So it's lunchtime. I'm right now in the streets of Ipoh. So this place is used to be predominantly Indian, no? Origin, tama ba? But you have a lot of mga Chinese na sites sa destinations. We have here Architect Mike. Tanungin niya si Architect Mike for few questions on building designs. What are your thoughts on you see some buildings with very small frontage and elongated going inside? So what's the logic of this type of building?
Okay, that tall building I think is a later addition.
It's just recent na siya? Recent?
Yes, because the original character of the street is the two-story Chinese shops. So
okay.
These are the Chinese shops wherein the traditional Chinese way of opening a business on the ground floor and staying on the second floor.
Okay.
So it's a mixed-use development in the early mid 20th centuries. So nowadays this has been converted, I think, into a heritage town. So they have still utilized the building for adaptive reuse. The lower part are still stores. But I think that one, the tall building, that is a vacant space that was built recently, because that is not part of the character of the street.
So what's your impression on the mix Indian and Chinese heritage here? Does it reflect also on the building structure?
Yes.
How do you know if it is Chinese or
the concept of shops are coming from the Chinese, but
more Chinese?
Yes. Some of the buildings here or the shops carries with it some features of Indian character.
Like this one. This is
Like,
more of Western.
I will let you know the arch windows are more of Indian
Okay.
influence.
Okay.
But the concept of a building with a ground floor as a shop, the second floor as a residence, is a Chinese concept.
Okay, that's
So
good.
if you look at it here,
How about
the
this one?
windows are now in the Indian influence of the arch windows.
This is Indian, no? Yung influence,
Yes.
no? It's not Chinese.
Chinese are either straight or yung triangular niya.
What about finally this one? This corner
This
property.
I think this is a hybrid already. This is a building that has been redesigned to fit the modern architecture. This is some sort of a minimalist building.
Okay. Let's go further. The structure there, that's Muslim.
Yes.
No,
This is
that's
Islam mosque yata.
Yeah, Islam mosque, no? So you have combination of Indian, Chinese, and Malay, which is Muslim, no? Na area. Okay? Thank you.